Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to take all these lemons and we're going to use the peels and dehydrate them, and we're going to turn it into this cough syrup, homemade cough syrup. It's going to be fun. Okay, so to start, I've already washed these. I'm going to use a peeler, and I'm just going to peel the yellow of the skin. I'm going to try and get as least amount of the white as possible, and we're going to dehydrate these. These are really good dehydrated. You can grind them up after they've been dehydrated and turn it into like a powder, and you can use it in baking, salad dressings, tea. You can use it in anything pretty much. So we're going to start taking off the rinds. And then I'm going to juice all of them, and we're going to save the juice, and we'll be using all of that in plenty of other projects. I'm going to put it in some canning jars. You can actually can lemon juice as well, which I might do. For now though, I'm going to take off the rind, and then we're going to use some of the juice as well in some homemade cough syrup. Oh, this smells so good. The lemon zest is very, very strong. It smells delicious. So the cough syrup that we're going to be making is a mixture of lemon, ginger, honey, some lemon balm, and maybe some thyme, I'm not sure, but ginger for sure. We're going to use fresh lemon balm from our garden. We'll go harvest that together. This peeler is actually working really well for this. It's not taking very much of the white. I'm gonna have a lot of lemon juice out of this, which is good. We can can it. I'll probably end up canning it. Depends on how much I get. If I don't get very much, I'll just put it in the refrigerator. Use it for future canning projects. Lemon juice does last for a really long time. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of these off camera so you don't have to watch me do every single one. And then once I'm done, I'll show you me putting it on the dehydrator and stuff like that. Okay. I have finished peeling all the lemons. This is how much lemon peel we got. So now we're going to move on to juicing all of these lemons. Shouldn't take too long. We are going to use all of this juice. I brought out some jars to put it in. I'm just going to put it in this bowl. We're also going to put some of this into our cough syrup that we're going to make. Oh, 1 second, I'm going to get a bowl to put those in. Let's put them in a bowl so that it's not going everywhere. I do plan to keep all of this juice. If there's a lot, I'll can it, but I have a feeling it'll be just enough to use throughout the week, next couple weeks here. Oh. some of these lemons I had from canning. I was going to do canning projects, and some of them were just on sale. Oh, splashing lemon juice everywhere. I was thinking about maybe using some of the lemon juice to make homemade cleaner. Lemon and vinegar. It's also a good option. I have finished juicing all the lemons. That's all the lemons here. So now I'm going to take this jar and we're going to put all of this lemon juice in it. If I can do this without spilling it everywhere. And I don't think there's enough to can, so I'm just going to put them in the jars here and put some lids on them. And I can use them throughout the next month or so. I think this will be good in the fridge for probably a couple months, but there we go. I got almost 2 pint jars out of it. Okay, so now I'm going to put a few of these. Let's see here. Hopefully ones without a bunch of seeds in them. So I'm just going to put a few in here. We're going to, actually I'm going to cut a few of them up. Like that. And then I'm going to get some ginger in a second here. And we're going to put some water, some honey, some ginger, some lemon juice. Here, let's add a little bit of this. Add a little bit of the lemon juice. And maybe a couple peels here. Lemon peels, and we're going to add honey, lemon, ginger, some lemon balm leaves, and some water, and we're going to simmer this for a while and turn it into a cough syrup. Let me just get a couple more of these. Have a real nice lemon flavor to it. Okay, let me get the ginger. Put some of that in. I will strain all this later. Let's add a little bit more. Okay, let me get the honey and we'll put the honey in. We want to put about a cup of honey in. Honey is a big antioxidant and it works really well for colds. This is basically the base of our cough syrup here. Okay, let me get some water. Put the water into that. Now let's go get some lemon balm leaves. This is my lemon balm plant. It says we need about 1/4 of a cup. I'm just going to pick a bunch. Oh, they smell so good. I want to leave enough where the plant can still regenerate and I can dehydrate some of this, just in case we need to make more one day. Okay, I think that's good. We'll use this. Okay, let's just give the lemon balm a fine chop here. not fine, but you know, just a little bit of a chop to bring out some of the oils. Oh, this smells so delicious. Very lemony. Okay, now I'm just going to put that right into the pot. And then I'm just going to simmer this on medium heat for about 30 minutes or so, and I'll give you a look on what that looks like after. I just wanted to give you a little look on what it looks like on the stove here. The lemon, the ginger, lemon juice, lemon rinds, and the lemon balm, and the honey. Okay, while we're waiting for this to finish simmering, we're going to put the lemon peels in the dehydrator. Okay, so now let's take these lemon peels. Once these are dry, I'm going to grind them up. So let's just lay these out. My whole house is going to smell like lemons after this. Homemade potpourri, right? You could actually use these for potpourri too if you wanted. Put the next layer on. This is a good way to use the entire lemon. I like to do my layers a little thinner just so that they dry nicely. Okay. I think that's good. And then I'm going to turn this on to 120 degrees, and hopefully overnight they should be dry. We'll see. There we go. So I think I'm going to add some of this lemon thyme into the pot as well. I think that'll give it an extra dimension. So we're going to put some of this in too. Okay, so this has been simmering now for a really long time. So we're going to strain it into this other pot here. Get rid of all the debris, I guess you could say. I was trying to figure out what I should call it. Quite a bit came out, as you can see. I'm just going to squeeze some of the lemons, get some more of the lemon juice in there. Okay, and then now I'm going to let this cool, and then once I'm done letting it cool, we're going to stick it in these containers here. The mixture has cooled enough, so I'm going to open one of these jars that I got here. These are plastic reusable ones, that's why I wanted to cool the mixture down. And we're just going to pour it right in. It actually cooled off fairly quickly. Just put the lid on and you can keep it in the fridge. I'll probably write a label on it telling what day I made it. You could also use this in tea as well, like a hot tea. Tastes very good. I've already tasted it. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I hope you join me for the next one. I'll see you next time. Bye.